As we conclude, we must address the elephant in the room, the ethical and security implications of this technology. We are wielding a powerful tool, and with that comes responsibility to use it safely and ethically. We'll discuss biasm, misinformation, and the security risk of prompt injection. We will also look ahead to future trends that will shape the next few years. This is not just about avoiding trouble, it's about building a sustainable and trustworthy professional practice. AI models are trained on human data, which means they inherit human biases. As prompt engineers, we must be vigilant against generating content that reinforces stereotypes or spreads misinformation. We have a duty to verify facts, disclose all AI usage where appropriate, and ensure our work contributes positively to the information ecosystem. Ethical prompting is not a constraint. It is a mark of quality and professionalism that builds trust with your audience and clients. How do you know if your prompt is actually good? Evaluation is the science of measuring all performance. It involves setting clear metrics, accuracy, tone, format compliance, and systematically testing your prompts against them. It means running the same prompt 50 times to check for consistency. This scientific approach to iteration is what separates a hobbyist from a professional engineer who builds reliable systems. Security is the new frontier. Prompt injection is a hacking technique where malicious users trick an AI into revealing private instructions or bypassing safety filters. As you build AI applications, you must learn to red team your own prompts, trying to break them to find vulnerabilities. Understanding how to define against these attacks is a crucial skill for anyone developing AI in a business environment. The future is moving fast, and we're heading towards agentic AI, systems that don't just answer questions, but autonomously execute complex tasks. We will see hyper-personalizations where AI adopts to your specific learning style and preferences in real time. And we will see the rise of small language models that run privately on your own device. Staying ahead of these trends ensures that your skills remain relevant and in high value and in high demand. We have covered an immense amount of ground. You now have the frameworks, the logic, the creative tools, and the strategic foresight. But knowledge without action is potential energy. It's time to turn this potential into kinetic success. We'll wrap up with a clear action plan and the resources you need to continue your journey. You don't have to do this alone. AIPromptAgent.com is your professional hub for this journey. We provide a curated library of battle-tested prompts, advanced tutorials, and a community of professionals who are building the future. It is your shortcut to mastery, giving you the tools you need to stay ahead of the curve without spending hours on trial and error. Learning is fast together. The Code Vibing community is a vibrant network of creators, developers, and prompt engineers sharing their wins, their failures, and their discoveries. Join us to collaborate on projects, get feedback on your work, and network with people who are defining this new industry. Your network is your net worth, and this is where the builders hang out. Here's your homework. 1, pick the framework, CoStar or Create, and use it for every task this week. 2, rewrite your LinkedIn profile or resume using the expert persona technique. 3, generate one image or video that visualizes a goal you have. 4, join the community and share your results. Action creates clarity. Start today. We have compiled a list of essential resources, cheat sheets, recommended readings, and tool links to support your practice. Download them, bookmark them, and use them. This course was just the beginning. The real learning happens when you open the prompt box and start typing. Thank you for being a part of this revolution. Now go build something amazing, and we'll see you on the next video. And again, if you like this content and you made it this far, congratulations, but take a second and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing, and go join us at codevibing.com, and we'll see you on the inside.